Today I'll be showing you how to make a Rubik's Cube keyring using plastic canvas. So here we go. First of all, you're going to need some plastic canvas, and we are just going to cross stitch some thread. This is just a normal cross stitch thread onto the plastic canvas. If you don't know what plastic canvas is, it's like cross stitch fabric, except for obviously it's plastic and very rigid. So if you've cross stitched before, this is really easy. If you haven't, it's still fairly easy once you get the hang of it. So basically going to crisscross the stitches to make a cross stitch. That's what it's called, cross stitching obviously. So basically you just come up through one hole, go diagonally, go up through the hole next to it, and then go into the opposite direction, and this creates the cross. Now we're going to do 3 stitches, and then we're going to do another 3 stitches on top of that, and another 3 on top of that, so you basically make a block of 9 stitches. Once you've done that, we're going to now miss a row and do the exact same thing. So you want another block of 9 stitches, and you want to do this 9 times. You want basically 3 rows of these blocks with 3 blocks in each row. So you should have 9 squares at the end of it. And this is what it looks like afterwards. Now when you're finished, to keep it all in place, just take your needle and put it under 2 or 3 of the stitches on the back and just put it through, and this will hold the end in place. Then just cut off any excess. Next we need to trim the plastic down to size. This plastic is very easy to cut with just normal scissors, so don't worry about that. You don't need any special scissors. So you just cut off any excess you don't need. You just need that plastic edge around it, so don't cut that off. And then next we're going to fill out all the gaps with black. So you're going to take some black thread and we're going to cross stitch in all those gaps. This is what it looks like after that's done for that part. And then we're just going to loop around the thread just to fill in the border. So basically just put the needle through the front, pull it out the back, and then wrap it around to the front again. And once you've done this, you're going to do it 6 more times, obviously with the different colours of the Rubik's Cube. So you're going to need green, white, blue, red, orange and yellow. So once you've made those, then you're gonna now sew these together. So we're just gonna stitch through both corner holes of 2 of the squares, and we're just gonna put a couple of knots in this to secure the thread in place. And then we line them up, and we just basically do a simple stitch going through both of them at the same time around the edge to hold them together. Once you've done the first one, just open it up, then add the next one. This can be fiddly if you're not used to it, but you will get the hang of it and get a lot quicker as you're doing it. So once you've got the main 5 done, you're basically gonna again sew up like the sides that are all open, so it looks like a box like this in the end. So do the same stitch, just go all the way around, and this is what it looked like when that's all done. It's all stitched together and you've nearly completed it. Next, all you need is a keyring fastening, and then you need a jump ring, so you need to open that up, and then you just basically thread it through the corner holes of 2 of the boxes. So through 2 of the sides, just carefully poke that through the top corner hole of the plastic canvas. Now just poke through the other side. Then all that's left to do is to close up the jump ring. And that's it, that's your keyring done. Obviously you don't have to make a Rubik's Cube, that's ready made. You can like mix up the colours so it looks like it's all mashed up. So don't forget to send in a picture if you make one, and have fun making your own. Thanks for watching, bye!